Ringed planet. Fact 1. Space is completely silent. Space is a vacuum, meaning there are almost no particles to carry sound waves. If you could float outside your spacecraft and scream, no one would ever hear you. Even supernova explosions, black holes, and colliding galaxies happen in total silence. Astronauts communicate using radios that transmit electromagnetic waves instead of sound. NASA scientists have listened to space by converting radio waves into sound frequencies, creating those haunting, eerie space noises you hear online, but in reality, space remains a vast, quiet void. Sun with face emoji. Fact 2. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus spins so slowly on its axis that one rotation takes 243 Earth days, but it only takes 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. That means if you lived on Venus, a single day would outlast your entire year. Even stranger, Venus spins in the opposite direction of most planets. The Sun would appear to rise in the west and set in the east. Thick clouds trap immense heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system, hot enough to melt lead. Glowing star emoji. Fact 3. There are more stars than grains of sand on Earth. Astronomers estimate that there are over 200 sextillion stars in the observable universe. That's a 2 followed by 23 zeros. To imagine that, think of every beach, every desert, and every grain of sand on Earth. And multiply that by 1,000,000. Each star could have planets, moons, and maybe even life. When you look up at the night sky, you're only seeing a tiny fraction of what's really out there. Africa emoji. Fact 4. Earth's twin planet isn't what you think. Venus is often called Earth's twin because it's similar in size and gravity, but that's where the similarity ends. Its atmosphere is 96% carbon dioxide, thick enough to crush a submarine, and temperatures reach nearly 475 degrees Celsius. Winds blow faster than hurricanes, and acid rain falls from toxic clouds. If Earth and Venus were sisters, Venus would be the fiery, chaotic one, a glimpse of what our own planet could become if greenhouse gases run wild. Shooting star emoji. Fact 5. Neutron stars are incredibly dense. When a massive star collapses, it becomes a neutron star, a city-sized object with the mass of our Sun. Just 1 teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh as much as Mount Everest. They spin hundreds of times per second and emit beams of radiation called pulsars. These cosmic lighthouses help scientists study gravity, time, and the fabric of the universe itself. Sun emoji. Fact 6. The Sun makes up 99.86% of our solar system's mass. Almost everything in our solar system, all the planets, moons, asteroids, and comets together make up less than 1% of its total mass. The Sun's gravity dominates everything, keeping all the planets in orbit. Without it, the entire solar system would drift apart into cold darkness. It's our star, our source of life, and our cosmic anchor. Milky Way emoji. Fact 7. There's a planet made of diamonds. 55 Concrete E is an exoplanet twice the size of Earth and orbits its star in just 18 hours. Scientists believe it's composed largely of carbon, and under the immense pressure, that carbon could form solid diamond. Imagine a world glittering beneath a black sky, a planet literally worth quadrillions of dollars in gemstones. Of course, it's 40 light-years away, so don't pack your mining gear just yet. Hole emoji. Fact 8. Black holes don't suck. Despite their reputation, black holes don't suck things in like a vacuum cleaner. They simply have very strong gravity. If our Sun became a black hole of the same mass, Earth would continue orbiting normally. But get too close, and the tidal forces would stretch and tear you apart in a process called spaghettification. Black holes warp time and space so much that near them, 1 second could equal hours for someone far away. Waxing crescent moon emoji. Fact 9. The moon is drifting away from Earth every year. Our moon moves about 3.8 centimeters farther from Earth. This happens because of tidal forces, the same ones that cause ocean tides. Millions of years from now, the moon will appear smaller in the sky and solar eclipses will no longer perfectly cover the sun. Our planet and its companion are slowly parting ways in a silent cosmic dance. Milky Way emoji. Fact 10. The universe is expanding faster and faster. Scientists once thought gravity would slow the universe's expansion over time. But observations show the opposite, it's speeding up. Something mysterious, called dark energy, seems to be pushing galaxies apart at an ever-increasing rate. We don't yet know what dark energy is, but it makes up nearly 70% of everything that exists. It's a reminder that the universe is far more mysterious, and more alive, than we can imagine.